पीडीजी गोविंदास जी का इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहूँगा। मेंटर है और लियो क्लब्स के जो प्रोग्राम प्रस्तुत अभी करने जो जा रहे हैं स्पीकर, उनके ये मेंटर हैं। तो लाइन गोविंदास द रिसिपिएंट ऑफ highest recognition in the Lions Clubs International for the dedication and involvement during 39 years of his journey in Lionism. They are appointed as Ambassador of Goodwill, recognize his services and contribution to Lionism. LCIP, that is Lions Certified Instructor Program, the highest training program that is available at present in Lionism. He is the second line member in the multiple to become life member of the association. District Governor in the year 1994-95 in District C24C3. As a past District Governor, he has been in the service of 27 years, but still he is active and very active in each and every program of the multiple, and as well as service or training, including attendance at more than 120 multiple council meetings, 25 ISAME forums, and 8 international conventions. He is a progressive Raji now.
सभी को नमस्कार। सुभाष दाशानी जी और काउंसिल चेयर जेपी त्रिवेदी जी और मेंटर दीपक भट्टाचार्य जी और प्रेजेंटर्स बलबीर सिंह सानी और विजय कुमार शेट्टी जी, 3232 के सभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर्स, वाइस गवर्नर्स, अधिकारी और मित्रगण, सभी को नमस्कार। सुभाष दर्शनी जी, आपने बहुत अच्छा, मैंने तो भेजा नहीं, मेरा बायोडाटा आपने हासिल कर लिया और प्रेजेंट किया है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
तुम कहाँ गई थी?
मैं अपना प्रवीण छाजड़ का को गवर्नर हूँ। प्रवीण छाजड़ और माई सेल्फ, वी बोथ वर द गवर्नर्स ड्यूरिंग 94-95।
ओह, वेरी गुड,
थैंक यू वेरी मच। और ये आप पहले जो है, मैं नरेंद्र भंडारी जी को धन्यवाद और कोविड को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि कोविड की वजह से अपन जो है पूरे जो है देश में जो है सभी से मिल सक रहे हैं। और नरेंद्र भंडारी जी ये ऐसा प्रोग्राम और दीपक चौधरी जो ये प्रोग्राम का जो है इंचार्ज लिया है और अच्छा मैनेज कर रहे हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सभी को। और दूसरा जो है आज का सब्जेक्ट, जो स्पेशलिटी क्लब्स है, लियो क्लब्स, दोनों बहुत जरूरतमंद आवश्यकता है इस टाइम पे, इस सिचुएशन पे, क्योंकि अभी जो है 40-50 साल पहले, 40 साल पहले जो मुराकामी ने सोचा था कि 1.5 मिलियन के लिए अभी तक नहीं पहुंच सके, तो दूसरा तरीका सोचना चाहिए, वो एक स्पेशलिटी क्लब्स, और दूसरा वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है लियो क्लब्स का, क्योंकि 3 साल से मैं लियो क्लब का, हमारे मल्टीपल का चेयरपर्सन हूँ। मैं देख रहा हूँ उनका इम्पोर्टेंस, और जितना इंटेलिजेंस, ताकत और सहयोगिता सभी जो यंग एडल्ट्स में है, उनको जो है हम लायंस जो है फायदा उठाना चाहिए, वो नहीं हो रहा है। इसलिए ये साल शुरू होने से पहले 100 क्लब से और 100 बढ़ाया हमने, जो 200 क्लब्स खोल दिए, 200 हो गए हमारे, 100 क्लब्स 100 दिन में कर दिए। तो आई एम हैप्पी दैट विजय कुमार शेट्टी इज टेकिंग अप, he has prepared a very well presentation and it's important and exhaustive information दे रहे हैं। टाइम उतना ही, टाइम जितना टाइम लेंगे उतना टाइम ले सकते हैं, पर देखना है कितने समय में उन्होंने आपको समझाएंगे। विजय कुमार शेट्टी इज फ्रॉम उडुपी का, पैदाइश उडुपी कर्नाटका में। सदाशिव शेट्टी एंड श्रीमती गिरिजा शेट्टी, दे आर द पेरेंट्स, and he is from sports family. His father is Sadashiv Shetty is a sports personality. Vijay Kumar Shetty is an engineering graduate from Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. And during his college days, he was NCC officer, B and C certificate दोनों हासिल कर लिए। or he has also participated in para commando training at Belgaum and para jumping at Agra. And happy news is that both कम lions जो participate किए होंगे. He was selected for Republic Day parade in Delhi in 1985. That is, as you all know, prestigious Rajpath March contingent. And he received gold medals in weightlifting championship at the university level. So you can imagine this sports personality, sports personality, fathers. And now he is the proprietor of Sri Shivagiri Constructions, a construction company and interior decoration firm in Bangalore. He is also a partner in Wood Touch Interiors. Now, as far as the lineism is concerned, he has been the line member for the past 25 years. और 324 D1 का अभी तो नंबर बदल गए. 2011 और 12 में डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर थे. और जब जो है उन्होंने ट्री प्लांटेशन का बहुत ज्यादा फोकस लिए और 3.91 सैपलिंग्स प्लांट करे थे. उसके बाद कैटरैक्ट सर्जरीज भी. So far 8,000 cataract surgeries he could arrange. And another very important quality of him is he's a blood donor, and he has so far donated 32 times. He needs applause. 32 times. And of course, rural camps, medical camps, वगैरह सभी कर चुके हैं. As the multiple level, he has been the Quest chairperson, CSR chairperson, information IT chairperson, and multiple GST coordinator last year. He has attended 2 international conventions, 7 Islamic Forum conventions, and he received several awards as a governor, International President Superior Level Believers Gold Award for his vibrant leadership, and District Governor Appreciation Certificate, International President's Appreciation Certificates, International Leadership Gold Medals he has received. And apart from Linistic Awards, he has also received Rajiv Gandhi Gold Medal Award for his outstanding individual achievements and distinguished service to the nation. He is also FDA, of course. FDA रहने से यहाँ तक आ गए. FDI, FDS कर चुके हैं. FDS 2016 में कर चुके हैं. And a successful trainer, because as you know, I was involved in All India schooling for several years as a faculty. So I know most of the governors in the country, more than 200 to 300 or more than that. So he was, I have seen him as a trainer, as a participant also. He's a trainer in DLLI, RLLI, district level schooling, group mentor for DGVDG schooling at LCCI. He was a group mentor for 34 second vice district governors in All India schooling at 2014-15 Hyderabad, 15-16 Mumbai, and 17-18 for 37 governors in Bhubaneswar, 2017. He is married to Dr. Jyoti Shetty. 2 children he has got. Daughter Maulya is doing, she is doing 3rd year MBBS, and son Nesara is doing mechanical engineering course in Bangalore. So such a wonderful, I have seen him as a trainer because I was very much involved in South India. I was a governor in 3 to 4 multiple. So I know him very well, a good trainer. Now it's my proud privilege and pleasure to present Lion Vijay Kumar Shetty, past district governor from 317 multiple.
Thank you, Govindra ji, for that exhaustive introduction. Thank you very much. I will share my screen and also start my presentation first. Good evening, everybody. And thank you, Govindraj ji. When you said it's an exhaustive presentation, I just thought I'll just have some small changes. And today I am presenting you something else now, which I have not sent you. Thank you very much for all the guidance. And Balbir Saini, it was a fantastic presentation from your side. Also, you given everything what a specialty club needs. And thank you, Dasan Isab. I also would like to remember the contribution of Narendra Bhandarji, PID Narendra Bhandarji, for bringing us all of us together and giving us a chance to reach every lion of India and Leos of India. And maybe nobody would have thought of it, but this very opportunity has made us reach all over India and Isami. Thank you very much, PID Bhandarji, and our coordinator, Dr. Deepak ji, and Nagaraju and Anand ji, for making all these arrangements and giving us this opportunity. Thank you. With this, I would like to, hi, Sanjay Gandhi. Yeah, we were all there in Hyderabad. When
mode mein yeah, right. Okay, okay, yeah. Go ahead.
Now, let me tell you, because I see all the senior people here, most learned people here, I am little, held back, because telling about Leo clubs to all the learned people is very difficult. So still, I would like to put my efforts to make you understand and see that what is Leo club and how important it is. As Govindraj ji said, these are the Leo clubs. As young Leos, they can really transform and support us to do a lot of service activities. So when I talk about Leo, what is a Leo club? Leo Club is a group of like-minded youths involved in activities and projects that enhance the community responsibility as young, young people develop and practice leadership, organizational importance, and social skills. My dear friends, when I say this, it is very well said that Leo clubs are a community responsibility group. When we bring this Leos together, we will get a lot of hands which do service, and they do service really very seriously. Leo clubs involvement can instill in young people a lifetime commitment in helping needy and others. Here, when I say this, it is equally important that the Leos has to know that they will also get an appreciation from, and if they are connected with a Leo organization, organization which is spread in 150, 210 countries, and the Leos are in 155 countries, and internationally they are recognized when they go for any jobs or for any admissions abroad. Like this, they get a lot of importance in getting the work done. Here, I have, when I say Leo clubs, we have two types of Leo clubs. One is Omega and the other one is Alpha. Alpha Leos are 12 years and 18, between 12 years and 18 years old. Alpha clubs focus on individual and social development of teams. From 12 to 18, we can teach them, being a Leo, Omega Leo, sorry, it's going somewhere. Okay, being a Omega Leo, we can teach them, and being an Alpha also, we can teach the lifestyle of Leos. They can be tutored, because Lions Clubs International has a beautiful program called Quest, and we can bring them in Lions Quest programs and teach them the lifestyle, how to be, and how important a youth, it's for a youth to be started in 1957 by a coach from Pennsylvania with 35 high school boys. So this is how the Leo movement started, because before this also he had brought youths together, and he started a club, a school club, and then he thought, because there is a bigger organization by the name Lions, he can bring in Leos as their members, and he started a Leo club in 1957. And Leo Club programs in 1964, the Leo Club program became an official district project and started to grow rapidly in Pennsylvania. And that's how it became official program of Lions Clubs International in 1967. 1967. My dear friends, a Leo motto, you know what is Leo? Leo is leadership, as I told. Leo members acquire skills as project organizers and motivators of their peer. And my dear friends, when I talk about leadership, it is an opportunity for youths to acquire leadership in an younger age by joining Leo clubs. When we talk about Lions also, when there is a serious Lionism in him, he can acquire this leadership. Likewise, even a Leo, when he is serious as a Leo and is willing to volunteer for all the service activities of his parent club, then he can acquire leadership. And experience of giving will start as a Leo for a Leo member. And this experience is they discover how teamwork and cooperation can bring.
Now, yes.
Host, allow me to connect.
Yes, here co-host now.
Okay. I'm very sorry. Something is happening. I don't know what is happening. Yes. Yeah, opportunity Leos develop positive character traits and receive recognition for their contributions. So with this, why sponsor a Leo club? Any club, why should they sponsor a Leo club? Leo clubs provides a way to mentor future community leaders and encourage future Lions. No, because any club which is having a Leo club, there will be no dearth for membership. There is no dearth for membership. Why I say this is, automatically when they become 30 years, I will later in my slides, I will tell you how to graduate a Leo to Lion. How to graduate a Leo to Lion. To provide the youth of the world with the opportunity for development and contribution individually and collectively as responsible members of local, national, and international community. Why I say this is, we automatically by joining Leos, when we contribute individually and collectively, we also get a chance to be a member of a local club, a national with a national vision, and international with international community. Why I say this is, we are, whenever we say we are Lions or Leos, we are in a national community. We in 210 countries and with lot of other communities, we come together and we say this as a community, because when we talk about our community, we talk about our geographical area. When we talk about an international community, जब बात करता है international बात किया तो सब दुनिया, all the whole world becomes our community. We are one as Lions. So this is how the opportunity is brought. Positive youth development. When I say this positive youth development, it is positive experience for a Leo to be in this Leo club, and a positive relationship. इधर जो youth इधर join होता है, they will experience all this positive experience, positive relationships, positive environment. तो इसके लिए positive youth development बोलता है. Positive youth experience means we experience so many positive things, because which we will not experience outside in any community. This is an international organization. Everything is done. Whatever we have done in this, it is an experience of collective knowledge and thoughts given by Lions Clubs International. A relationship, when we talk about relationship, see now we came together in Hyderabad. Lions from entire India and FDIs, we came and joined here. Leo's also getting a lot of chances when they come together. They develop a relationship as givers. They develop a relationship of givers. They give love, they give a chance to experience that service, and they will be in a positive environment, and they learn so many good things. This is how this Lions Club will help. And youth development, the 5 C's are They develop competence. See, the Leos are training a small children. They develop competence in them. They try to they try to bring in some new things with their competence. They develop confidence. They develop confidence in them to do whatever the job given by Lions Clubs International or their parent club. They get connect with people. The entire they get connect with the entire community. Here in India as a Leo, here in Leo in 3232 can get connected to the entire world with this platform, and he will be developing friendship in the entire world, and he can develop his character as a true nationalist, as a true service ambassador, as a true leader, and he can develop his character as a true Indian, okay, being a Leo. And the last is caring and compassion. Caring and compassion. See, a Leo club member will go to an orphanage and will learn how to care people and showing compassion. This is how a Leo. And the last C is contribution. He will learn how to contribute to the global cause and organizational cause. So when being in Leo, he can learn all these 6 C's. Okay, the final one is very important, because I have seen Leos going everywhere and collecting funds. This funds of collecting Leo members collecting funds will make lot of sensation in the community, because they go and tell what they are doing, and they collect and contribute to Leo programs in their global cause. Leo, what are the Leo objectives? There are Leo objectives to make available to Lions clubs and active, allowing them to serve the needs of the youth in their respective areas. So these are the objectives of Leo club. They have some objectives. They are available to Lions clubs. Whenever there is Leos, suppose if they start a Leo club, they get 40 hands to serve. 40 youth hands, young hands to serve. That is how that is the objective of a Leo club, to provide the youth of the world with an opportunity for development, contribution, individually and collectively. As I said, to promote service activities among young people, offer them an opportunity to develop the individual qualities of leadership, experience, and opportunity. These are the 3 basic things a youth needs. One is leadership, one is experience of giving, and opportunity to serve. These 3 things are made available for a youth when they join a Leo club, to unite Leos in friendship, fellowship, and mutual understanding. In the later part, I will tell how they unite in friendship, fellowship, and mutual understanding. Here, a well-nurtured plant bears good flowers and rich fruit. A well-brought-up child with loving care and affection grows up to be a responsible human being with good moral character. This is what Lions clubs help a Leo to become. See, here I remember one sentence of Dr. Abdul Kalam. Dr. Abdul Kalam. He says 25,000 hours of education in a school will make a good human being, or good asset to our nation. So this sentence of Abdul Kalam. Also, I remember another sentence of Abdul Kalam ji saying that a child, a youth is like a fertile land, and the teacher will sow the seed in that fertile land and see that it becomes a beautiful plant, a tree which bears fruit and flowers for our country. Here, Leo club dues. You know, everybody knows that $100 has to be paid by a parent club to start a Leo club, And this is for only 20 people. And there is a extra member. It is $5 per member we have to pay. Membership dues and assignment should be nominal and for sole purpose of covering administrative expenses. Funds for service activities should be collected in the form of membership dues. So normally we don't collect membership dues from Leos. It is the responsibility of the parent club to see that this Leo Club will be started and continue to be there with them as a service hand of a Lions Club. Leo new member kit complete with a certificate of organization, a Leo Club officers kit, a Leo Club sponsor kit, lapel buttons and members guide, membership cards, everything is available in their kit. There are two types of Leo clubs. One is community-based Leo clubs. And you know that what is community-based Leo clubs? They offer membership to any eligible young person within the local area of Lions Club. These clubs meet at a suitable location in community. This is called as community-based Leo club. The other one is school college affiliated Leo clubs. In schools and college, we can start a Leo club, which is which will have their common programs, which comes under their institutions. Okay, go on, sir. Go on, sir.
There's just one question, if you can answer that.
Yeah.
He wanted to know how we can add more than 100 members in a Leo club. It's Leo Joy Fernandez from 31C. Okay.
Who can add? Who can add?
You can add any number, Joy Fernandez. You can add any number. The levy is only that much, $100 only. No extra levy. You can add 100, 200, 300, whether it is 5,000 also. There are two clubs in 3234 where, you know, they got 5,000 each. And in 324 also, I think there are about 13,000 members. 13,000 members in one club.
Is it?
There is no maximum target and there is no further levy also. Any number you can add. So
for your benefit, I'll tell you, it is 56 clubs in 3232 multiple and 1,482 members. So fantastic. And one more news I want to tell you is Leos are getting voting rights in international. And you know, this year, Lions Clubs International has given us a chance as panelists, 2 members. I know if Govindraj sir can tell their name, it is Akshit Bagla. Leo and Leo Lion, Akshit Bagla and Leo Ranjit Bhagat are the panelists this year, and Leos are getting lot of opportunities. Leos are getting lot of opportunities, and if there are Leos, very serious Leos. 2021 Leo video contest submission now open. You can just go and join there, and you can apply, and you will receive $1,000 as gift. You know. And Leo Membership Growth Award nominations are also open, and you can you nominate yourself there. So this is last tip I am given. So Govindra sir, please go ahead, sir. Is there any question and answer?
Thank you, Vijay. Okay, we could not present. Okay, but you know, all are well aware. Sometimes, you know, it happens. Technical things, you know, it's not in our hands. Thank you, Subhash Dasani ji. Over to you.
Okay. Now. Thank you to all our presenter and mentors, and now I request our Hiren Mewala ji to give the vote of thanks.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all. આજના પ્રોગ્રામના ગેન્ટ એન્ડ રીચ સેમિનારના અલગ પ્રોગ્રામ આપણે દર મહિને થાય છે. તેમાં આપણા ગેટ એરિયા સીએ લીડર દિશાવેના શ્રી નરેન્દ્ર ભંડારીજી આપણા ગેટનો એક પર્યાય થઈ ગયા છે, અને તેમાં તેમની સાથે આપણા ગેટ લીડર સુભાષભાઈ દાસાણીનું ગેટ એરિયા લીડર સુભાષભાઈ દાસાણીનું ક્રિએટિવ નેતૃત્વનો આપણને સાથ મળ્યો છે. તેનાથી આપણું મલ્ટિપલ ખૂબ ખીલ્યું છે. એમના રોડ મેપથી આપણે આખા વિશ્વ કક્ષાએ નોંધનીય પરિણામ આપણે આપી શક્યા છીએ. એમને જે માર્ગદર્શન સુભાષભાઈ આપે છે એના કારણે જ આપણે કાર્ય કરવાથી ધાર્યું પરિણામ આપણે મેળવી શકીએ છીએ. તે બદલ આખી ટીમનો એમનો ઋણ સ્વીકારીએ છીએ. આપણા મલ્ટિપલ કાઉન્સિલ ચેરમેન જેપી ત્રિવેદીજી આપણને આ પ્લેટફોર્મ પૂરું પાડે છે, અને ગેટમાં તે પોતે પ્રવૃત્તિમાં ખૂબ રસ લે છે. તેના કારણે ગેટ એન્ડિટ પ્રોગ્રામ અને કોન્ક્લેવ આપણે સફળ રહે છે. તે બદલ તેમનો પણ આપણે આ તબક્કે ખૂબ આભાર માનીએ છીએ. આજના સ્પીકર સ્પેશિયાલિટી ક્લબના બલવીરસિંહ સહાનીજી એમનું ક્રિએટિવ પ્રેઝન્ટેશન સાથે ખૂબ સુંદર આપણને માર્ગદર્શન આપ્યું તેમણે, અને એક નવી દિશા પણ આપણને એના થકી મળી છે. તેને અનુરૂપ આપણે પગલા લઈશું તો નવી સ્પેશિયાલિટી ક્લબ આપણે બનાવવામાં કાર્યગતિ મળશે અને રત્નાત્મક સર્જન કરી શકીશું. તે બદલ તેમનો ખૂબ ખૂબ બલવીરસિંહનો આભાર માનીએ છીએ. અને આજના બીજા સ્પીકર આપણા લિયો ક્લબના વિજયકુમાર શેટ્ટીજી આપણને જે લિયો ક્લબની ખૂબ સુંદર માહિતી આપી અને લિયો ક્લબ વધારીશું તો સારું હશે અને તે જ ભવિષ્યમાં લિયો આપણને અનુભવી લાયન્સ ના મિત્રો મળશે અને પ્રવૃત્તિને પણ વેગ મળશે. તે બદલ તેમનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનીએ છીએ. આજના પ્રોગ્રામના બંને મેન્ટર દીપકભાઈ ભટ્ટાચાર્યજી અને કે ગોવિંદરાજ જે તેમની ઉપસ્થિતિ અને આપણને ડિટેલમાં મોટિવેશન આપ્યું અને કાર્ય કર્યું અને પ્રેઝન્ટેશન સાથે રહી અને સારું કોર્ડિનેટ કર્યું તે બદલ તેમનો આ તબક્કે આભાર માનીએ છીએ. આજની આપણી મલ્ટિપલ MD 3232 ના દરેક ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ ગવર્નર્સ, વાઇસ ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ ગવર્નર્સ અને તેમની ટીમની ઉપસ્થિતિ રહી તે બદલ અને આપણને મોટિવેશન પૂરું પાડ્યું તે બદલ આખી સમગ્ર ટીમનો આભાર માનીએ છીએ. તથા આજના પ્રોગ્રામના મારા કલીગ મિત્ર હાર્દિક મહેતા, ટેકનિકલ કોર્ડિનેટર, જે ખૂબ પરફેક્ટ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન કર્યું અને તે બદલ તેમનો આભાર. તથા છેલ્લે લાયન્સ મિત્રો તથા લીડર્સ જે આ પ્રોગ્રામના પાર્ટિસિપેટ રહ્યા અને તેમને આ ખૂબ સુંદર જ્ઞાન મેળવ્યું છે અને મિત્રો આ જ્ઞાન આપણે આપણી ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટમાં આગળ પાસ ઓન કરીશું એવી આશા છે. અને છેલ્લે એમને કહીશ કે જબ મિલે સો હાથ તબ જહાં સુહાના બનતા હૈ और जब मिलेंगे सौभाग्य तो जहां सौभाग्यवान बनता है. टुगेदर वी कैन. આવી રીતના સાથે મળીને આપણે આગળ વધવું છે અને મેમ્બરશિપ ગ્રોથ કરવી છે અને ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ વધારવી છે. થેન્ક યુ મિત્રો. જય હિન્દ, જય લાયનવાદ.